Have you ever wondered if the ultimate drone experience is worth the investment? Today, we're diving into the DJI Mavic 3, a drone that promises cutting-edge technology, breathtaking visuals, and advanced flight capabilities. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Welcome back to AeroAuto Adventures. In this video, we'll take a deep look at the DJI Mavic 3. Known for its exceptional features like a 46-minute flight time, dual camera system, and advanced obstacle sensing, this drone has become a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. But is it worth the price tag? Let's find out. First things first, let's unbox the DJI Mavic 3. Inside, we have the drone itself, the remote controller, propellers, cables, and of course the charging hub. The drone's sleek design immediately stands out, with a compact foldable body that makes it easy to carry anywhere. On the top, we see its Hasselblad camera, which boasts a 4/3 CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 5.1K footage. The materials feel premium, and the design screams sophistication. DJI has really paid attention to detail here. Now, let's put it to the test. The DJI Mavic 3 offers a remarkable 46-minute flight time, which is a significant upgrade compared to its predecessors. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing system is impressive. It detects objects in all directions, making it one of the safest drones to fly. Let's try its intelligent flight modes like Active Track 5.0, which keeps the subject in focus while navigating through complex environments. As you can see, the tracking is smooth and precise, making it ideal for capturing dynamic shots. One of the biggest highlights of the Mavic 3 is its camera. The Hasselblad lens delivers stunningly sharp images with natural colors. With 5.1K video resolution and a 12.8-stop dynamic range, this drone is a game-changer for filmmakers. And don't forget the telephoto lens. It allows you to zoom in on distant subjects without compromising on quality. Even in low light, the Mavic 3 performs exceptionally well, capturing details and reducing noise. How does the Mavic 3 stack up against other drones in its class? Compared to the DJI Air 2S, the Mavic 3 offers superior video resolution, longer flight time, and more advanced obstacle avoidance. However, it's also significantly pricier. If you're a casual flyer, the Air 2S might be enough. But for professionals, the Mavic 3 is in a league of its own. Let's break it down. Here are the pros: exceptional camera quality with dual camera versatility, industry-leading flight time, advanced safety features with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Now, the cons: it's quite expensive. The telephoto lens could have better aperture control. The learning curve for beginners might be steep. So, is the DJI Mavic 3 worth its price? At nearly $2,000, it's undoubtedly an investment. But for those who demand top-tier performance, whether it's for filmmaking, content creation, or professional mapping, this drone is a solid choice. For hobbyists, there are more affordable options that might meet your needs. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the DJI Mavic 3. What do you think? Is it the ultimate drone or just an overpriced gadget? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AeroAuto Adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.